Oh, yeah? Tell me more about that.
Oh, give me 1 second. I'll be right back!
Naomi! Are you okay?
My teeth! Uh-oh. There's gotta be something around here. Hey, that old lady's got teeth. I'm on it. Yoo-hoo!
How?
Is somebody here? I sure hope these things fit. Ugh. Oh. Feels pretty good. So sorry about that, David. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Ugh.
Anyway.
I guess I can forget about that.
Betty's still asleep? It's the perfect pranking opportunity. Everybody wants more hair, right? Well, maybe not here. Oh no! I think she's gonna wake up. Huh? Achoo! Whew, that was close. And I can't forget to take away these bad boys. That hair is staying put. Ha ha ha! Oh! I really needed that nap. I haven't slept that well in ages. Huh? What's on my lip? Is there something on my face? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me! It's okay. I'll just shave it off. Where's my razor? Ugh. Wait. I have an idea. Did I lose a pair of scissors around here? Oh! My little box of goodies. I've gotta have something helpful in here. My eyebrow threader! No reason why it can't work on my lip. Let's give it a go. Feels like the hair's coming off. Yes! My skin is so dry today. Is that Naomi's moisture cream? Time for a formula change. Gah! Can't forget about the chest. The skin's so sensitive over there. Oh, this is about to get good. I guess I'd better get ready for tonight. Huh? What's coming out of my robe? Chest hair? But how did I… Ah! How did this happen? Man, is it morning already? I had the best dream ever! And I'm so ready for breakfast. What a night. Guess I have to get out of bed. Ugh. Whatever. Breakfast time. Alrighty. You're already dressed? Why? Huh? Oh, Naomi. You and your sleepy little face. Okay, I'm going. Purple always looks good on you. Yep. At least I don't have to wear a bra. Wait, is this thing backwards? I can't see! That was scary for a minute there. Ah. Ta-da! Guess I'd better comb this mess. Ugh, so knotted. Phew. Geez, Betty, that sure was fast. Huh? I can do braids too, you know. Wait, how do I start again? Oh, Naomi. Hey, at least I tried. Let me help. Okay, fine. No touching. I get it. Hey, wait a minute. This gadget ought to help you out. Here. Whoa, that thing looks pretty cool. Just hook some hair in here. And pull it through all 3 slots. Then the machine does all the work. See? No tangles. Oh. Why not decorate with some beads? And why stop there? We can put braids everywhere. Yay! Ooh. Beat me! Girls who braid together stick together. Now let's go. Who's fresh and clean? This girl! Woohoo! Yes!
Whoa! This is giving major finger and electric socket vibes.
How did it even get this frizzy?
Oh. Wait a sec. What are you wearing on your head?
It looks like a pink elephant contraption. Except it's attached to your head? Nope. Just a genius hair hack. These locks are smooth as silk, baby.
Oh.
But my hair is so frizzy and sad. Here. Thanks. Okay. Let's see here. Just put it up over the head. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then cover the dryer nozzle. There. Air incoming. Wow, it's really going up there. Let's see if it actually worked. Ready, set, and release. Woo! It feels amazing! Like I just left the hair salon. And don't worry, my outfit's ready. See? Alright, girl. Let's hit the road. I think our car's here. I call shotgun. Ha! That emoji slays. Oof. Hey, look at this. Leo got a haircut. So hot. Yes! Send him a selfie. Okay. Let's see it. Ugh. What? I didn't know my chin looked like that. I think it was just a bad angle. Cheese. There. And? Dear gosh! This one's even worse! I think I need a face transplant. Oh no. Give me that. I'll help you. Just open your photo editor. And with a few little adjustments… What? Just trust me. Now that's better. See? I think you need glasses, girl. You think you're funny, huh? But I still feel super ugly. Aw. It's okay. Hold on. I just need my favorite little prop. Okay, Naomi. Here you go. Check out this gorgeous face. Yeah? Excuse me? You want me to wear this thing? Huh. Okay. Yep. Just slide it on. Like this? Well, now what do I do? I feel the exact same as before. I'm outta here. I look like a monster! I'm a hopeless case. Get it off! Now calm down. Just wait 5 hours, okay? Let's go sit. What time is it? I think I can take this off now. Uh-huh. This better be good. And? My face is snatched. How long did you have that on? No! Don't take it! Ugh. Oh boy. What have I created?
Oh, a text. What is that thing? Gross.
You think he liked it? Oh! Why did he block me? I think my tears are stuck in my eyes! Let's attempt to put on some makeup. This may be harder than I thought. No! Gotcha! I only need one finger for a squirt. Ugh, so messy. Gross. I'll just put it right on my face. Hey, that's not bad. Sweet. Only need one hand to rub it in. Hope it's not too much. Ooh. There. I think it's rubbed in now. Time for the lips. There we go. Quick! Don't let it drip! I think this is where my lip starts. Okay, I got this. Hey Betty, what's up? Have you looked in a mirror lately? You look scarier than a clown. Just look for yourself. Huh? Ah! What have I done? Ew. It's okay. Don't freak out. Just wipe, like, everywhere. Uh-huh. Ugh, such a mess. All you need is a little help blending. Huh? Wow, I didn't even know this kind of thing existed. Just put the makeup on the brush, then put it against your face. It does all the blending for you. Oh. Wow, this thing is a lifesaver. I'm pretty again. Oh, and for your lips, try this. Then put it against your lips. Here. Pucker up. Okay, I guess. Oh. It worked, huh? Nice. Uh-huh. Oh, I almost forgot. What are you doing over there? Ugh. My brows, see? Ugh. I just can't get any peace. I'm loving this new nail color. Oh, let's see here. Hey! You're kidding, really? That's not good. I hope it doesn't leave a stain. Whatever, I'll just finish up. Then what did he say? For real? Uh-huh. Oh. What'd you tell him? 'Cause I would've freaked out. Oh no! Whoopsies. Oh well. I'm home, honey. Go! Oh, my shirt. What in heaven's name is this? You'd better start talking, Naomi. Oh, that's it. Ahem. Huh? Uh-oh. Care to explain? It was an accident. The bottle just lifted up and spilled. I just couldn't believe it. I told it to stop, but it had a mind of its own. So weird. Crazy story, right? Anyway. Ugh. Well, come with me. I'll show you how we can fix this. Accidents happen, but we just have to be prepared. Now just use this. I don't get it. Oh. Like this? Am I doing it? Don't be ridiculous. You put your fingers in it, silly. And it holds up your nail polish. Oh. Wow. It's way harder to spill this way. And you can just focus on your nails. See how much easier that is? Yep. You tell him no. I'll do it for you if you don't. You heard me. I think my job's done here. Is it morning yet? Oh boy. Uh-huh. That was some good sleep. But I've gotta get going. Whoa! Since when did I have 1,000,000 blackheads? Help! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Naomi, look at my face! Ah! I'm hideous! Wait! I'm just gonna pop them all out. No! Don't do that! Hold on! I've gotta have something here. Oh, maybe I can just cover them all. Here! It gently sucks them out for you. And it won't leave scars either. See? They're coming out of your pores. Aw! Thank you! Ooh! Wish you knew about some of these beauty hacks sooner? Better late than never. And be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks.